Here you have a machine that is put together incredibly well. And then you notice this. And you think, that doesn't look right. Why does that stick out? Why does this not line up? Even from this side, it looks like something's wrong. Why does that piece stick out like that? Further investigation reveals somebody forgot to put a fastener in here. There's a place for one. It's just not there. Huh, that's odd. The other side is exactly the same. Brand new 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000. And that piece doesn't look right. Definitely doesn't look right. This side's missing a fastener too. Somebody just get in a hurry and forget to put them in? Well, it's bugging me. So for the time being, until I can order in some new fasteners, extras, to finish doing Polaris's job, I'll borrow some from the floor. I popped that fastener out of the floor. I'm going to stick it in the side panel. There we go. That looks better. On the driver's side, I borrowed a body fastener from right here. Stuck it right there. Now it fits like it's supposed to. On the passenger side, I borrowed a body fastener from the floor. Now it fits like it's supposed to. It's really no big deal. We love the machine. Love our 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000 Premium. I'll buy a little package of body fasteners and put those two back from where I got them and be good to go.